You can now reference civil points for your auto profile, and it's showing an example of how this works. Is in this particular design, I've referenced the natural surface through the entire design. Then for the next entry, I've then told the software to use civil points through a certain chainage range. So this particular entry says between chainage 170 and 220, look for this particular point group and grade from those particular points that it finds down at -1%. You can see you can also use an elevational shift and use a max offset, meaning that if you've got points within that group multiple times in the same cross section, it'll only pick up the range that you've specified, or within that range that you specify here. So what's now happening is that the 3 points that I've got here are being picked up within that chainage range and being added as IPs. Now the great thing is, if I just close this down and maybe go and move the first point away, all I need to do is click on refresh, and you can see how that -1% from that point creating that IP has been updated. So very, very powerful tool.